I can make any kind of mechanic you want. Just tell me how you want it to be. From simple to complex. The source code will be provided. Every line of code will be written in a way that is easy to reuse or revamp. I like to put extra effort on the game feel. Particles, animations, colors will all be designed according to the playstyle to bring the most appealing visual feedback. I will always put all my effort into the project and communicate with you through the whole process, also providing full support if there's any issues even after the delivery. I only had 1 year of experience as a game developer. This is why my costs are lower. I have made many games in the past and have published games on Google Play Store, so I'm totally capable of making a good game to whom order my gig.